and where I'll never forget a charming young maiden I happened to met. Her eyes shone like diamonds, she was dressed fit to kill, and I met her down sliding.
Fills the boat, eyes the by who sails her, eyes the by who catch the fish, brings them home to Liza. If your partner Sally DeVoe, if your partner Sally Brown, Fogo's gonna get Gordon's Harbour all around the circle. Songs and rhymes to cover your plate, making tea for supper, codfish in the spring of the year, fried and dragon in butter.
A Newfie's a Newfie wherever he goes. It don't seem to matter the cut of his clothes, the gleam in his eyes and the way that he walks, and the true Newfie tone in the way that he talks. Oh, by the Lord, dying by the thunder and G, how are you doing, you son of a bee? You can't fool your old man by dressing like that. You're still just a Newfie in a Calgary hat.
We'll rant and we'll roar like true Newfoundlanders. We'll rant and we'll roar on deck and below, until we strikes bottom inside the two sunkers, where straight through the channel to Oslo we'll go. I'm a son of a sea cook, I'm a cook and a trader. I can dance, I can sing, I can reef the main boom, I can handle a jigger, I cuts a fine figure whenever I gets in a boat standing room. We'll rant and we'll roar like true Newfoundlanders. We'll rant and we'll roar on deck and below, until we strikes bottom inside the two sunkers, where straight through the channel to Oslo we'll go. Farewell and adieu to ye young maids of Valen, O'Dearn and Peresk, Foxhole and Bruley. I'm bound for the westward, to the wall with the hole in. I can't marry all, or a Chioke I'll be.
I's the boy that builds the boat, and I's the boy that sails her, and I's the boy that catches the fish and brings them home to Liza. Hip your partner Sally T-Bow, hip your partner Sally Brown, Fogo, Twillingly, Morton's Harbour, all around the circle. Salts and rinds to cover your flake, cake and tea for supper, cod fish in the spring of the year, fried in maggoty butter. Hip your partner Sally T-Bow, hip your partner Sally.
I wanna tell you, oh mama, I love you.
Adieu to ye young maids of Valen, O'Dearn and Peresk, Foxhole and Bruley. I'm bound for the westward to the wall with the hole in. I can't marry all or a Chioke I'll be. And we'll rant and we'll roar like true Newfoundlanders. We'll rant and we'll roar on deck and below, until we strikes bottom inside the two sunkers. We're straight through the channel to Oslo we'll go. We'll rant and we'll roar like true Newfoundlanders. We'll rant and we'll roar on deck and below, until we strikes bottom inside the two sunkers. We're straight through the channel to Oslo we'll go.
Let's bring the Royal Order of Screechers to order. I understand we got a whole bunch of people that want to get screeched in here tonight and become right proper honorary Newfoundlanders, yes?
Yes.
Yes. Those people who are getting screeched in.
I say now, my fair one, if you will excuse, to partake of me arms, sure she didn't refuse. But then I must say that I first met love's thrill when I met her down sliding on Signal Hill. Will you come along with me, boys? Come along with me, boys, down Signal Hill. Well, the very next day to the church we did go, which made all the people to the rag, you must know. Just she will you marry, says I, faith I will. And his buckle, we were up on Signal Hill. Will you come along with me, boys? Come along with me, boys, down Signal Hill. And now we are married and children have 3. Sure, myself and the missus could never agree. We one christened William, the other one Bill. The Garces I call the other one Signal Hill. Will you come along with me, boys? Come along with me, boys. Come along with me, boys, down Signal Hill.